Now that you've come on board, what next? We figured you would need a walkthrough so customers can get started shipping already on your website. Now let's get to customize your website in just 4 steps. The first step, add your delivery locations. Adding your delivery locations will allow your customers to know where you ship from and where you ship to. For example, if you ship only within Lagos and for all parts of Lagos, you can select Lagos. Now, how to do this? Go to Welcome page. Click on the first step you can see there. It will take you directly to the Preferences page. On the Shipments tab and under the Pickup and Delivery Locations section, select State. Choose Lagos. Save locations. And that's it. The second step, create a price list. The customers want to know how much you charge to move something from point A to point B. How much will you charge them to move a parcel from Ikeja to Oshodi? Now to get this started, go to Welcome page, click on step 2. To take you directly to Preferences page. On the Shipments, under the Price List section, open the calculator. Check the distance between Ikeja and Oshodi. Estimate 16 kilometers. 0 to 16 kilometers is 2,600. Save it. And you can enter more entries to your maximum delivery distance. Step 3. Set up a bank account. When customers ship parcels, payments are made to the account number you provide. Now to do this, go to the Welcome page, click on step 3 and enter your bank account and your bank name. Immediately it will validate your name, then save. The step 4, add a debit card. Using Logistix is free, however, there are transaction charges. These transaction charges can be paid at the end of the month. Now when you enter your debit card, which is secured by Paystack, you can pay at the end of every month as you keep on shipping parcels. And now congrats, you're fully up to speed. You'll start receiving orders any moment from now.